Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off timer for taking photos in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Suppose if you have enabled already timer or if you have accidentally enabled timer for taking photos, yes, you can turn off it. Okay, here I am going to take a photo. Okay, it counts to 10 seconds. So a timer is set for taking capturing image in my phone. Okay, so if you want to stop this timer and if you want to capture the picture immediately, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to camera here and then go to camera settings here, then click on this off button so that the timer will be turned off. Now with immediate effect you can immediately capture the image while after pressing this shutter button. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off camera timer for taking photos in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.